Hello there, Royals. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome on board. My name is with Sikis, and if you're returning, so good to have you. Today, as always, I have a very interesting topic to share with us all. How we can actually keep our hair moisturized, grow our hair with one booster leave-in conditioner. Because when you are retaining all that length, you definitely will see significant growth, because naturally our hair does grow, except there's an underlying health issues. So we're gonna head into the kitchen and prepare the aloe vera leave-in conditioner. Okay, your hair, my hair, will thank me and thank you later. Now, if you're interested in growing a beautiful, gorgeous hair, you're in the right place. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, share. Thank you so much. All right, let's head into the kitchen and prepare our aloe vera leave-in conditioner. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen. Always good to have you here. All right, that's my aloe vera already chopped up in cube forms. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, E, and C, and all of those three vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. You already know I love shiny hair. Aloe vera also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which, you know, helps the hair and keeps it from falling out. All right, that's my shea butter. I already whipped the shea butter with coconut oil. Shea butter contains vitamin A, E, and essential fatty acids, which I believe to add moisture and shine to the hair. All right, so that's my fenugreek and rosemary spray. I'm gonna leave the link to this video so you can make yours. This is a strengthening leave-in spray. You need this, okay? All right, I'm just adding a bit to this leave-in conditioner, and that's the okra gel. Please, this is super optional. I only did this because I didn't want to waste my okra gel, and that's forest good oil. I'm also going to add the link to that product. It is infused with biotin, vitamins E and D, with all of those great essential oils also. All right, I only added a teaspoon, oh, sorry, a tablespoon. And this is my avocado oil. You already know that avocado oil is also rich in fatty acid, and it does help with growth retention because of the moisture it provides. And I'm only adding a tablespoon also. And that's my macadamia nut oil. These are super rich oil, and all of these oils are optional. The main ingredient is your aloe vera and your shea butter, okay? Yeah, and I also added a tablespoon, and that's my essential oil, tea tree. I love tea tree because of the calming effect it provides on the scalp, preventing dandruff and all of that. And aloe vera does that too. Aloe vera can help heal your scalp, preventing dandruff too. Peppermint essential oil, and I'm only adding 5 drops each because I'm gonna use this on a little kid's head, you know. All right, so that's not enough because the model, she has her hair all the way to tailbone length and also very thick. So that's not enough. So I went ahead and cut a little bit more of my aloe vera leaf. That's a really big leaf. So I cut this chunky 3-part out, and this is just me showing you how I take off my aloe vera gel. I cut off the spiky ends first, and then I just go in and take off the skin. I don't usually throw away the skin. Sometimes I use my finger to scrape it and use the skin to rub on my babies or my hair, my scalp, because of all of that amino acid that it contains and all the rich vitamins that the skin contains. And I make sure to cut off all the green part because I don't want no residue in the hair. All right, this is me still just cutting it up and just showing you guys real quick. And for some reason, I don't know why I do that, but I like to um dice my aloe vera. I just like how cool it looks, like some ice cube. I know. Oh, yes. Right. So when you put aloe vera in your hair, just because of the way it moisturizes the hair, of course, it contains over 90% water. It does help you retain all that growth because your hair is not breaking, you're not seeing no brittle hair. And I went in with a tablespoon of the shea mix, the shea butter, whipped with coconut oil again because I wanted this to be enough for the hair. Usually, what I do for one daughter, I do for the second daughter. Oh my God, look at that. Now, if you want it to look like super creamy, you can go ahead and whip that up. But for me, this is a one-time use, right? I'm just going to use it on our hair and that's it. So I didn't have time to make it to look super cool. But I like it. Look at that. And what I was after was the slime. And I also went in with my super spray, the fenugreek and rosemary spray for strengthening, just to provide the strength to the hair. Because this leave-in conditioner will provide all the moisture that we need. Okay, look at that. It has a lot of water in it. Aloe vera is made up of water, 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 water. All right, just make sure you're putting sufficient amount in the hair. I tell you what this leave-in conditioner does to the hair. My baby has a type 4 hair, a 4B mostly. She has some fussy going on and all of that. You know how it is. And that's me just taking a lot to put in the ends of the hair. But look at that shine. Look at that. Can you feel the softness of this hair from your screen? Feel it. Soft, hydrated, detangled, and I don't want to waste your time. So off camera, I went ahead and did my thing, threaded the hair. Boom. That's it. That's it. Let me know. Are you gonna try it? Thank you for watching that video and I hope you give it a try. Comment below. Let me know. Are you gonna try this awesome aloe vera leave-in conditioner? It's simple, straight to the point, but I tell you, it would leave your hair super moisturized. And you know what? Aloe vera on the scalp can do what, it can help nourish that scalp, prevent dandruff, and all of that good stuff. And you will definitely notice significant growth. So please, please subscribe. Is your button red? Red? No, it shouldn't be red. Subscribe. Like and share this video. Thank you so much. And see you when? Next week, okay? Come back next week. I have another interesting tutorial for you. Bye.